My name is Zeynep. I have two children. Currently, I live in Dallas area. Before then, CYDEO, I used to work as a coordinators or the assistant managers and then work different companies. After some discussion with my friend, they are suggested to me and then encouraged me to change my career. I research and then what is that for the IT industry because I don't have any knowledge or I don't have any experience. And then after search and then I decided I can do that and I started for the CYDEO. After starting and then completing course, everything has changed. CYDEO is special for me in my life. This is not only school for me. There is a good friends, there is a good family side, there is a community, good community. Main differences, I use my power for you are feeling so tired. When I work I work for the stores for the everydays, for the 8 to 5 or the 9 to 6. We are shift hours always change, repeatedly changing. But right now we have a good schedule. Also, especially I'm not worried about the money. You can earn money always, but our life quality is changed. I have a time right now spent with my children's quality time. When I came to house, I don't have the energy to spending home with my children or doing something because whole day I use my energies. And then right now I'm working at home and then when I felt tired, I can rest, I can spend with children at any time. My children is growing and then always your needs and then everything is rapidly changing. But right now, my life quality is of course improved and then our change for our house, we got a new house, amazing house, and then we can get easily what we want and then we can help, especially not only for the buying something. If you want to support, if you want to donate somewhere, you can do that easily. You can help everyone when you want. I left my company, I started CYDEO, and then after the COVID started and then everyone stuck at home, it was hard to me. I know studying, especially after 40 years. When I started CYDEO, I'm 40 years old. It was hard to me after some ages. You know, you have a lot of responsibility. You have children, you have a family, home. If you have a dedication, if you insist something, you can do everything. You know, I can't speak very well English. I don't have the knowledge, anything about maybe details computers, but nothing. You know, I learned everything with CYDEO. What I did, and then after course, I got a couple of offers, and then I started my new career. If you are saying it is easy, no, not easy, but CYDEO always stay with me. My teachers, my mentors, mentor, also my friends. You know, after course hours, we came as a group for our students. We are like a family. We study together. Whole nights for the daytime. We created groups and then CYDEO provided for the additional channel for us. We requested. They supported a lot. And then we accomplished. I always, I'm not give up easily. I have to continue. I have to study a lot. If someone perfectly understand for the classes, maybe they have a natives or they understand one time, maybe I understand for the third time, maybe I watch a second time for the recording session, or I research of course for the same subject on YouTube, or we study with our friends in the same day for the same subject what I learned. It's not easy, but I never give up, and then finally we are smiling. I completed CYDEO course, right? We don't have anything between us. But when I need anything right now, when I send it to message or email them, they answer to me, "Hi Zeynep, how we can help you?" This is so important. I completed CYDEO. I'm not a super student. I'm an average student, not bad, not super. We have a good friendship with a lot of students, and then we have some groups, especially we are supported each other's, and then interview session too. We created WhatsApp groups, we created for the Slack channels, And then we always support each other in the interview session. We study together in the nighttime. We always did interview ourselves. I started serious interview, and then maybe I can say seriously for the 10 interview. And then I got for at the same time 4 offers. When I got offers, I screamed, oh, finally I got the offers. We learned a lot of things in the 7 months. And then a lot of people work in industry for the maybe 10 years, 7 years. They don't have a knowledge everything. So we learn everything at the same time. And then this is a big point maybe.